In this video, we're going to take a look at how we use the bandsaw to cut a curved shape. As you can see right here, I've got a circular shape on my piece that I want to remove. If I started cutting around that shape without doing anything extra, there's going to be a lot of twisting pressure on the bandsaw blade. In fact, this might create enough pressure that would actually break the blade. So in this case, what we would do is come straight in to the line and then back out in several spots all around that curve. We're going to do that first. These are called relief cuts. They relieve the twisting pressure on the blade as we go around the curve. And then we'll finish up by going around the curve, not through the line. When we get finished, we want to still see that curved line on our block, which will indicate the shape that we want. As always, we want to be sure that we use our eye protection. So we'll put our safety glasses on unless you wear regular prescription glasses, and those will be okay on our bandsaw. We already have the height adjusted, but I'm going to check this and be sure that I can slip my stock underneath the back post without it rubbing. But it's down very close, so that's good. We're going to go ahead and turn on our power and make our relief cuts. So here you can see where we cut straight into the line and then backed out. Those relief cuts will really help this be a nice curve when we're finished. Let's go ahead and cut the curve. And I hope you can see in the video the pencil line is still there, but we've cut around that. We've got our circular shape cutting out, and our bandsaw blade is still in great shape. Thanks a lot. I hope this video helps you out.